Hello, YouTube family. If you're just coming over here from TikTok, you're going to see the full version. But for my YouTube subscribers, you guys get the full panoramic effect. And basically, the TikTok people already know, but they're coming over to check it out. And so, yeah, you know there's a package on my doorstep, and we're going to go get it. Let's head to the house. Here we go. While we're on the way, I want to give a shout out to all my patrons. They're the ones that make all this possible for everybody else. Yes, I know here on YouTube things are a little slow, but I still believe in you, my YouTube family. All right, let's get to that box. That sucker's got some weight. Let's open it. So I actually bought this about a month ago, and I've been waiting to do this video right. Everything's been slowing me down. Just a little pop here and a pop there. It does come with a carrying case. I like it, just in case we need it. It does come with a carrying case. I'm liking this already. Get rid of this. This is good material to burn up. Here's my grill top. I'm liking this already, guys. I'm liking this already. Put that over there so you can see it. Oh yeah. We got metal. More metal. And more metal. Obviously I'm going to have to speed this up for the TikTok because you only have so many minutes. All right. I have no idea what this looks like on film, but we're going to go for it anyway. Let's do a cut scene real quick. So if you guys haven't figured it out, it's a campfire. It's something. Let's put it together. All right, for my YouTube people, I'm struggling. There we go. Look at that. So if you guys haven't figured it out yet, it is a portable fire pit made of steel that's also a grill. Kind of neat. It has a skillet top and it has a grill top. This has some kind of coating on it. We're going to fire it up. We're going to see exactly what happens, most of which will end up on the YouTube video, but we're going to do something with this anyway. There's no sense in putting this together for you if we're not going to put a fire in it. All right, let's get this fire started. So basically I'm going to take the grill off because I'm not going to cook with it right now. Maybe in another video or maybe during the camping that I'll be doing here shortly. Let's go and set this to the side. Obviously I'm going to time lapse this for the TikTok people, but you can tell I've already went and got some stuff. My pencil size and my pencil lead size stuff. It's kind of sitting in there a little weird, but I think maybe it's just something I have to get used to. So let's, I think what I can do is I can actually do my fire starter and then kind of put it in there and it'll wedge itself in that way. Let's try that. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using a little bit of dryer lint and one of my handy dandy fireballs. If you don't know how to make these, ask. I'll tell you how to make them. So what we'll do is we'll just take that out, put that in there. We're going to get our pocket knife. We're going to cut the thin side, expose the magic gooiness, and make it a little fluffy so it lights easier. We're going to have this stuff ready for when we strike it. Ooh, it's kind of hard in this. kind of hard aiming it. There we go. Woohoo! We have fire. All right, let's go ahead and get that lint right next to it. Let's get our pencil-sized stuff on top of that. Close this up for safety. And then we'll wait until the fire comes up through it, and then we'll put some heavier stuff on. It did rain last night, so we'll see how bad this wood was, because I just got it out to use. Now, while we're waiting for the fire to come up, the reason I bought this was because if you know anything about me, I camp in a very specific place, and it's very old forest, and any little spark could set it off. And I almost had a chance when I dug out a fire pit. I thought it was good, but then I threw some pine on it, learned that lesson the hard way. And now I just want my fire pit to be portable, so I can take this thing anywhere I want to. Once it cools down, I put it back in the carrying case, and I'm gone. And now that I think about it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get some chicken, and once this cooks down to embers, we're going to cook a little chicken on it for the YouTube people, just to see what happens. And after a quick review of the video, yeah, I cut my frickin' head off, so I had to fix that, of course. Let's watch this burn down. Now, what I've also decided to do before I cook on it is what I always do with every grill. I kind of forgot about it, but this has a coating on it, and there's actually a shining coating on it, very similar to most other grills. Now, I guess this is probably made in China, but I'm going to go ahead and see if I can put this on the fire anyway and see if we can basically off-gas all of that coating and cook off any residue that's on this so we can cook on it. We'll just set it on there, and as the wood cooks down, the metal should lower itself just a little bit. All right, so what I've got here is I've got some chicken tenders. I've got me a paper towel. I'm just going to wipe some of the soot off of this grill section. I've also moved the wood that's still lit over here, so this is just coal embers right here. And we're just going to put it on the grill and see what happens. And there it goes, starting to sizzle. Doesn't that look good? So what did we learn? This fire pit has a lot of neat little features. Not just the grill, not just that it's portable. It is not lightweight. I would definitely not want to put this in my backpack. It's at least 20 pounds. But you can find all that information. One of the nice things I noticed about it was you can actually touch the bottom of it a little bit without burning yourself. It is hot, but it's not going to instantly singe your skin. That's awesome. I also noticed too that cooking on it, you need to make sure that you have a good bed of coals. I actually had to beef it up to finish it, and as you can see, there's still some wood burning in there. So I would actually like burn it down to about that before I started cooking on it. But that's why we do these gear reviews, so we can find out how we're going to use them. I'm definitely going to be using this on my next camping trip. Awesome piece of gear. If you're interested, there is a link down in the description. You do with that information whatever you want to do with it. You should know that I do not associate myself with gear that I don't own, use, test, or believe in. If you have any questions about this fire pit, down in the comments, ask the question. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I see it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit that link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol, the join, or the letters. It doesn't matter. And just hit, and that'll get you started. It's only $3 a month, and I tell you what, it is money well spent, and it's a hell of a lot cheaper than buying stuff off my Amazon page. Okay, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I will see you when I see you. Bye-bye.